Hello and welcome to this tutorial on BigQuery. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reformat data types on a join in BigQuery. Let's say we want to join two tables together. Let's say we want to join the accounts table with the contacts table, and we're using a select statement and obviously an inner join to do so. And we're joining them on their common key. That is, from the accounts table, we have an account number, and from the contacts table, we have a contact number. And we're doing a join here using this simple select statement. However, the account number and the contact number do not have the same data types. In other words, one of them is a string, the other one is a text or another data type. What's going to happen in that scenario is we're going to get an error, and this select statement will not work. And the way around that is to use the cast statement. The cast syntax is used in a query to indicate that the result type of an expression should be converted to some other type. And by using the cast statement, we will be able to join these two tables together, even if the fields we're joining on have different data types. And here's how to include the cast statement within this select statement. So we're going to have to include the cast syntax within the on argument. So we have select star from our first table, accounts table, inner join our second table, which is the contacts table, and then we put on a dot account number equals to cast open parentheses c dot contact number. So the contact number field is the field which has an incompatible data type, and the data type is different from the data type of the account number field. That's why we're applying the cast syntax to the contact number field. So we put cast open parentheses c dot contact number as string, and by doing so we no longer get an error when doing a join between these tables, despite the fact that the data type between account number and the contact number are different. And this is how we can use the cast syntax in order to avoid getting an error when doing a join, when the data types we're joining on are different. And that's how it's done. I hope you've enjoyed this video and found it useful. If yes, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed already, make sure to subscribe and also turn on notifications so you won't miss out on my next videos.